Suturing techniques are same as we taught you in the open suturing technique, that you only you have engaged, then similarly you will come out on the other side. Remember, the short thread is towards my right side, and the needle from the left side is kissing the short thread. So you make a first wind is you make a C, and your knot will stay. And hold the needle again after the first pass, because most of my viewers are the trainees who have just shorter thread is toward my right side media suture, so we are locking. So again, canvas which we discussed in the first part of this series, and do share the pics of your knots. Watch our video on open. So you're probably, this is third knot which will be similar to the first knot, and again all the odd number odds, not all the odd number knots you come above the thread, and all this